My name is Simone Binoy, and me and my partner Dr. Prince John, we are behind Palace Healthcare Solution. We started this about 2 years back, and then the main intention behind starting a private palliative care facility is basically to provide a kind of service which is really needed for people who suffer from any chronic illnesses. So whether it is cancer, whether it is Alzheimer's, dementia, and any of these illnesses which basically have no cure, but they are always, they need a continuous medical support, and the condition kind of deteriorates over a period of time. I am a cancer survivor and I understand the importance of palliative care, and the main reason why we started, the impetus that we got in starting this particular organization is after I suffered from cancer. Now, since I had my colleagues in palliative care, and since I had an experience of working in a palliative care facility, I understood exactly how important it is, especially when you go through a whole lot of physical and psychological kind of issues that you face with this kind of an illness. When I was faced with this kind of an illness, all I could do was reach out to my colleagues, and I could get a kind of solace in terms of psychological counseling and understand exactly what kind of transition is going to happen in the various stages, especially when you have when you undergo chemotherapy, when you lose your hair, when your bodily changes are quite evident, and then you kind of feel that you are not up to the mark, and that is where the hand holding of the palliative team is so very important. Palliative care has to start right from the time you are diagnosed with any kind of terminal illness. So the hand holding of the palliative physician and their team goes hand in hand with your oncologist who is into your curative treatment. I have had an experience of working in palliative care for about 7 years. So I have seen a lot of patients who have benefited out of palliative care, and hence I would advocate that this kind of treatment benefits you to a large extent, especially when you have your family is going through a whole lot of changes with your illness. So if in case if it is a patient who is suffering from cancer, it is not just the patient but the family also who goes through a whole lot of emotional upheavals, and that is exactly where the psychological counseling, the kind of social distress that you face, especially when you have to go out to meet people with kind of bodily changes that you have. Pain is another important factor that is really addressed in palliative care. So pain and other distressing symptoms is what is the mainstay of palliative care, along with the hand holding of a lot of alternative therapies, whether it is an Ayurvedic therapy, whether it is color therapy, or any of these kind of therapies also help you in a long way. We also realize that a lot of people do not know what palliative care is. It is always perceived to be just tender loving care. It is just not tender loving care. It is a medical speciality wherein the doctor and the entire team. So it is not generally just the doctor, nurse, and the patient that works like in a typical hospital setting. In a palliative care setting, it is a doctor, nurse, social worker, volunteers, families, everybody works around the patient. So, there is a cloak around the patient, so the patient feels comfortable all the time. He is not left alone. All his issues are addressed, whether it is a spiritual issue, whether it is a social issue, whether it is a psychological issue. You go through a gamut of these emotional upheavals, especially when you are diagnosed with any kind of these chronic illnesses. So the entire hand holding is there of the palliative care team, and that is the beauty of palliative care. Now we operate out of Deccan Hardiker Hospital. It's been 2 years since we have started this facility. And coming to this place, we realize that it's a central location. A lot of people can benefit. We have about 18 rooms over here, and we can take care of a lot of issues of yours if you can reach out to us. We are always a call away. We have a dedicated number 8530801333. You can call on this number any time of the day, and any issues or anything related to chronic illness, our doctor and social worker or our nurse is always available on this number. So I would request all of you that whoever is watching this video, please circulate it among your family and friends so that you can reach out to more and more people.